Hey there, it's Kodi Riddle, and I have got your Greater Phoenix real estate update for May 2025, straight from the latest Cromford Report, plus a few insights from what I'm seeing in the trenches every single day. The market is shifting. Inventory is rising, prices are adjusting, and the pace of activity is literally changing week by week. Whether you're thinking about buying, selling, or just keeping tabs on what's going on, this is a great time to pay attention, right? Let's start with inventory. Basically, that's the biggest headline right now. As of May 1st, we had over 26,000 active listings in the Valley. That's more than a 50% increase from this time last year. That's a huge jump. And to compare that to just last month, we're up nearly 5%. Buyers, this means you've got more choices than you've had in a long time. And sellers, this means your home really needs to stand out. Homes that are overpriced or underprepared are sitting longer and basically getting overlooked. Now here's where it gets a little more interesting. Even with all this new inventory, sales are up. We saw a 3.7% increase in closings compared to last April and almost a 5% bump from March. Now that's encouraging. People are still moving and homes are still selling. But at the same time, prices are slipping. The average price per square foot dropped to just under $300 and the median sales price fell to $445,000. Now, keep in mind, this is the greater Phoenix area. That includes the entire Maricopa County. So if you are watching this and you're a luxury homeowner, that $300 per square foot does not apply to you. It's just telling you the overall market is coming down. That $445,000 median price in Maricopa County, that's a 3.7% drop in 1 month. So from March 15th to April 15th, 3.7% drop in 1 month. That's about 1.1% down year over year. So why are we seeing prices come down while sales are going up? There are a few factors at play. First, we're seeing more activity at the lower end of the market, which pulls average prices down. And second, the luxury market has slowed, so those higher end sales aren't boosting the numbers like they were just towards the beginning of this year. And finally, buyers are back in control. They're taking their time, negotiating more, and being super selective. So right now, supply is a little higher than normal, but demand is still well below normal, and that is not always the healthiest mix. So when that gap exists, market theory tells us that prices will likely continue to adjust until balance is restored. And there's something else to consider. Summer is coming. We all know what that means in Arizona. Once those temperatures spike, house hunting gets a lot less comfortable and activity usually slows. Historically, we tend to see prices soften in the summer months, and then with that current trend already heading downward, we could see that continue through the next several months. But that's, we don't want to forget that the good news is that people are still buying and selling. Closings are up, and that tells me that the market is still very much alive. It just requires a smarter strategy. So buyers, this might be your window to negotiate better terms or find a great home that was out of reach just last year. Sellers, you can still win in this market, but pricing and presentation are everything. So, of course, if you are looking to buy or sell, or you're just wondering how these changes affect you specifically, let's talk. We're here always to help. You can reach out to me at 480-624-8019. Take care and thanks for watching. I'll see you again next month with another update. Stay cool out there.